Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku in this additional with extra puzzles or Sudokus in today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, August the 26th, 2021. This additional we have 9 extra puzzles or Sudokus, and the second one I will solve is a Sudoku with 4 stars. Alright, and this one will be a number 3 2 no 3300. Yes, 3300. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So one box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then, let me see. 197. Oh, 19. Okay. 3 missing numbers. In the third row, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 in the third row should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and the 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. So, now, 8, 8. 1, 9. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see a 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So one box left for the 9 should be there. Okay. And now I cannot continue with the 9, I believe. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There are 9. So no 9 in that box. So one box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9. Yes, need to wait. How about the number 5555? 7, 7. 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then how about these 5 numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in the second row. So no 4 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 5. So what are the other 3 numbers? The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 236, 236. Okay. 2, 3, 6. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. So one box left in the second row. This box should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 3. Okay. This big square, the 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 2, 2. 4, 4. Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. There, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this second column. The 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing, 1 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 3. Okay. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see a 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 3. So what are the other 2 numbers? 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 and the 5. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. The 1 is missing, 2. The 3 is missing, 4. And the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square. Here we have 1 and 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and 7. So now let me see. All right. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is a 5 in the third column. We see a 5 in one of those. We see a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. Here 5, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 1 box left in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 3. So the other number should be here a 2. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Yes. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in the third column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. All right. 3. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5. And a 7. All right. 1, 1. Aha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 and 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1 and 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Yeah. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. Alright, let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. But we have a pair here. So what are the... Well, let me... 5, 5. Yeah. 2, 2. 1. 1, 3, 6 I need. Okay. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 1. Okay. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 1. Let me think. 9. 9. 9, 1, 3, 5. Ay. Okay. Overlooked 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. The only box left for the 6 in the last row should be there. Yeah, 1 box left in the last row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 5. Okay. 2, 6, 6, and 3, 3. Okay. 5, 5. Think. 7, 7. We have a 5 and a 4. All right. Think. The 3. Do I have, no, not all the 7s. Do I have all the 6s then? Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. A lot of pairs, a lot of pairs. This one, yes. 2 numbers left in the middle row. The 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. And look, we have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 9, yes. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are, no. 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing, 4 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finishing 17 minutes again, yes, and I'm very pleased with the time, because for a 4-star Sudoku I need 30 minutes or more, and I've solved this in 17 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No, because for a 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. I think it's rather a 2 stars Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the 3rd puzzle. I think it will be a binary puzzle. Yes. See you then. Bye bye for now.